Ẹ kú ojúmọ́ ní gbogbo ibi tí ẹ ti ń wò mí tí ẹ sì ń gbọ́ mi. Orúkọ tèmi ni Yétúndé Adébáyọ̀. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò tí a pè ní Jẹ Ká Kọ Yorùbá. Good day everyone at every place where you're watching and listening to me. My name is Yétúndé Adébáyọ̀. You are welcome into this program titled Jẹ Ká Kọ Yorùbá. Kí ni nǹkan tí a fẹ́ kọ́ lónìí? What do we want to learn today? A fẹ́ kọ́ nípa lílo ọ̀rọ̀ àpọ́nlé nínú èdè Yorùbá. A fẹ́ kọ́ nípa lílo ọ̀rọ̀ àpọ́nlé nínú èdè Yorùbá. That is, what we want to learn today has to do with the use of adverb in Yoruba language. The use of adverb in Yoruba language. Adverb is being called ọ̀rọ̀ àpọ́nlé in Yoruba language. Ẹ máa bá mi kà lọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ àpọ́nlé ni ìsọ̀rí ọ̀rọ̀ tí a máa ń lò láti fi pọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe nínú gbólóhùn. Ọ̀rọ̀ àpọ́nlé ni ìsọ̀rí ọ̀rọ̀ tí a máa ń lò láti fi pọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe nínú gbólóhùn. That is, an adverb is a word that we use to modify a verb in a sentence. We do use an adverb to modify a verb being used in a sentence. These are the examples of ọ̀rọ̀ àpọ́nlé in Yoruba language. Àpẹẹrẹ ọ̀rọ̀ àpọ́nlé níwọ̀nyí nínú èdè Yorùbá. Ọ̀rọ̀ nọ́mbà kìíní, the word number 1, kíákíá. Kíákíá, what is kíákíá nínú èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì? Kíákíá means quickly. In English language, kíákíá means quickly. Nọ́mbà kejì, number 2, pátápátá. Pátápátá means completely. Nọ́mbà kẹta, dáadáa. Dáadáa means very well. Nọ́mbà kẹrin, gan. Gan means very or really. Nọ́mbà karùn-ún, number 5, jákujàku. That is to say poorly, roughly, or anyhow. Another word for jákujàku is rádaràda. Some people will say rádaràda, some will say jákujàku. What is that supposed to mean? In English language, it means poorly, roughly, or anyhow. Nọ́mbà kẹfà, díẹ̀díẹ̀, jẹ́jẹ́, pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́. So we can use jẹ́jẹ́ in place of díẹ̀díẹ̀. We can use pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ in place of díẹ̀díẹ̀ or jẹ́jẹ́. So what is that supposed to mean? It means gently, slowly, or easily. We want to express that something is being done gently, easily, or slowly. We can use any of these three words. We can use díẹ̀díẹ̀. We can say jẹ́jẹ́. We can also say pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́. Do you want to hire a Yoruba teacher? You want to learn how to read, how to write, or how to speak Yoruba language fluently? You want to hire a translator, transcriber, proofreader, or a content writer for your work or for your project in Yoruba language? You can reach out to me on this number that I put on the screen. You can also send your message to my email that I put here on the screen. Thank you for watching. Ní báyìí a fẹ́ lo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ àpọ́nlé ní gbólóhùn. Àpẹẹrẹ ọ̀rọ̀ àpọ́nlé tí a fún wa ni kíákíá, pátápátá, dáadáa, gan, jákujàku, díẹ̀díẹ̀. So now we want to use them in sentences. Sentence number 1, mo ti ṣe iṣẹ́ náà kíákíá. Mo ti ṣe iṣẹ́ náà kíákíá. So what am I saying here? I mean, I have done the work quickly. The verb in this sentence is ṣe, which is done. Then quickly is an adverb, which is kíákíá. So we use kíákíá to modify the verb ṣe. Ọkùnrin yẹn ti parí iṣẹ́ náà pátápátá. Meaning that man has finished the work completely. That man has finished the work completely. So completely, that is to say pátápátá in Yoruba. So we use pátápátá to modify the verb parí, which is finished. Ọkùnrin yẹn ti parí iṣẹ́ náà pátápátá. That man has finished the work completely. Number 3, number kẹta, ọmọ yẹn máa ń jẹun dáadáa lálẹ́. Ọmọ yẹn máa ń jẹun dáadáa lálẹ́. So what are we saying here? We mean that child usually eats well in the night. So the verb we have in this sentence is eat, which is jẹun. The verb is well or very well, which is dáadáa. So we use dáadáa to modify the verb jẹun. Ọmọ yẹn máa ń jẹun dáadáa lálẹ́. That child usually eats well in the night. Gbólóhùn kẹrin, àwọn ọmọ yẹn fẹ́ràn olùkọ́ wọn gan-an. Àwọn ọmọ yẹn fẹ́ràn olùkọ́ wọn gan-an. So what are we saying here? We mean those children, àwọn ọmọ yẹn, those children really like their teacher. Àwọn ọmọ yẹn fẹ́ràn olùkọ́ wọn gan-an. So the verb we have in this sentence is fẹ́ràn, which is to like or to admire something. The adverb is gan, which is really or very. Those children really like their teacher. Àwọn ọmọ yẹn fẹ́ràn olùkọ́ wọn gan. Number 5, ó ti ṣe iṣẹ́ àmúrelé rẹ̀ jákujáku. Ó ti ṣe iṣẹ́ àmúrelé. We mean he has done his homework roughly. He has done his homework roughly. The verb we have in this sentence is ṣe, which is done. The adverb is jákujáku, which is roughly. So we are now using roughly to modify the verb done. Ó ti ṣe iṣẹ́ àmúrelé rẹ̀ jákujáku. He has done his homework roughly. Number 6, ọkùnrin náà sáré díẹ̀díẹ̀ wọnú ilé rẹ̀ lánàá. Ọkùnrin náà sáré díẹ̀díẹ̀ wọnú ilé rẹ̀ lánàá. Meaning the man ran slowly into his house yesterday. The man ran slowly into his house yesterday. So the verb we have in this sentence is sáré, which is to run. The adverb is díẹ̀díẹ̀, which is slowly or gently. So we are now using díẹ̀díẹ̀ to modify the verb sáré. Ọkùnrin náà sáré díẹ̀díẹ̀. The man ran slowly wọnú ilé rẹ̀ lánàá, into his house yesterday. So these are the examples of adverbs in Yoruba and how we can use them in sentences. Mo lérò yìí pé ẹ gbádùn iṣẹ́ tí a ṣe lónìí. I hope you really enjoy what we did today. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching me. Do you want to learn more? Do you want to hire a Yoruba teacher who can teach you how to read, how to write, or how to speak Yoruba fluently? Or you want to hire a translator, a transcriber, proofreader, or a content writer for your Yoruba work or for your Yoruba projects? You can reach out to me on this number that I put on the screen. You can also send your message to my email, the email I put on this screen. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching me. See you in the next episode.